Being the family member who works in tech. Being the family member who works in tech can be both exciting and challenging. On one hand, you get to work in a constantly evolving and innovative industry and have the opportunity to learn and grow in your career. On the other hand, you may also face unique challenges such as constantly being asked for tech support or having to explain complex concepts to family members who may not have a strong understanding of technology. Here are some things you may experience as the family member who works in tech. 1. Tech support on demand. One of the most common things you may experience is being the go-to person for tech support. Your family members may come to you with all kinds of tech-related problems, from setting up a new device to troubleshooting software issues. While it can be frustrating at times, it's also an opportunity for you to share your knowledge and help your loved ones. 2. Explaining complex concepts. Working in tech often involves dealing with complex concepts and terminology. As a result, you may find yourself having to explain things like coding, artificial intelligence, or cloud computing to your family members who may not have a strong understanding of these concepts. This can be a challenge, but it can also help you improve your communication skills and break down complex ideas into simpler terms. 3. Being the tech guru. For many of your family members, you may be seen as the tech guru, or the one with all the answers when it comes to anything tech-related. This can be a bit of pressure, but it also shows that your family has confidence in your abilities and trusts your expertise. 4. Keeping up with the latest trends. Working in tech means being constantly exposed to new technologies and trends. As the family member who works in this industry, you may feel a responsibility to stay updated on the latest developments and share your knowledge with your family. This can be a challenge, but it also keeps you on top of your game and helps you stay relevant in your field. 5. Introducing your family to new technologies. Your family may not always be aware of the latest tech innovations, and it can be rewarding to introduce them to new technologies and see their excitement and interest. Whether it's a new app, device, or software, you have the opportunity to share your passion for technology with your loved ones. 6. Balancing work and family. Working in tech can be demanding, and it's essential to find a balance between your work and personal life. As the family member who works in this industry, you may have to juggle work commitments with family events and gatherings. It's important to communicate with your family and set boundaries to ensure that you have time for both your career and your loved ones. In conclusion, being the family member who works in tech can be both a blessing and a challenge. Embrace your role, share your knowledge, and enjoy the opportunity to be a tech-savvy member of your family.